I'm going to share this poem. It means a lot to me. I wrote it for someone I love dearly. It's called When a Night Owl Meets the Early Bird. Fought against this while standing with bliss. Now lines too blurred to see when we were for it or against it. Good thing I seem so small, don't matter anyway at all. So close to earth it feels better when and if I fall. Seems like an eventual inevitability of paths star-crossed so effortless and naturally. It touches deep like inherited myth, despite originality. Once upon a time, and happily forever after, cherished glimpses of sublime, flavored with tears and laughter, pushed rare seconds of gratitude past moments mastered. So easily forgotten, time fast flows while seeming slow, an ironic tango to captivate God's laughter or our growth. Naturally savvy here now, but always late for the host. I am the night owl, thriving in the darkness, enlightened by the moonbeams, hunted and harnessed. Spoken kung fu, catalyzing God's fight by the will of the mastress. Exceptional longevity, a frequency unlocked by serendipity's keys, triggering the rarest of accidents manifested with ease. What I won't do is the worst part of doing as I please. My keen sight was created for moonlight, rarely aware, once blind for morning sunshine. Like a dream, you then appear, singing my lullaby. Brilliant early bird, shining in the sunrise. Though so easily mind's eye perceives the received affinity between your heart and sunlight's divinity, accidentally I grieve over deceit cast toward a perilous infinity. Harmoniously, one by one, add to 1,000 spell cacophony. Hypersensitivity tunes out the volume of first light's symphony. To avoid fear and doubt, my mind's inadequate simplicity. Impressively, your song guides the journey, unlocking me key by key. Sleepily, reality evolves and dissolves my denial annoyingly. That duality is carnival mirror, disguise the who's who I need in life is you in actuality.